Which of the following belong to the 8 spatial relationships? The first one is disjoint, meets, equals. Inside, covered by, contains, covers and overlaps. All of the above. What is the correct answer? All of the above. Spatial relationships. See, you have a relationship with your mother and your boss or a teacher. So these relationships in the spatial scenario, in the geographic scenario, there are places which are on the left or some places or right of the some places. So a primary function of GIS is to determine the spatial relationship between feature. You can be represented as a feature on a map also, but the rivers, the mountain, the man-made material, the natural phenomena, all these have to be placed on the map and on a GIS. So the spatial relationship will also be placed. Do they overlap? Is one contained by other? Does one cross the other? So now you see here, these are the 8 spatial relationships. A is equal to B, A is touching B, A is overlapping. There is a point where they overlap. B is inside A and B have no relationship, they are disjoint. A covers all the B and A and B crosses. These are spatial relationship. In spatial relationship, the point, line, polygon becomes very important because these are the way to represent features. So how these points are related? One point is within another point, one point is nearest to another point, one point is farthest to another point. When we have the point line, whether the point is on the line or near the line. Point area means the point is inside the area, point is on the boundary of the area, point is outside the area. Line and line is they are intersecting, those lines are crossing. The line and area, the line is intersecting on the area or line is just working as a border of the area. The area may be overlapping, the one area may be inside or they are just adjacent. These are all these spatial relationships. And these spatial relationships are between the features, point, line and polygon.